Hi, my name is Fiona Lyons and I am a PhD student here in the School of Irish, Celtic Studies and Folklore in UCD. My PhD thesis is Hollis Savus, the Irish Language Revival, Media and Transatlantic Influences, where I'll be looking at newspapers between 1850 to 1890 in both Ireland and America, hoping to create some sort of connection and influence between the two, and also looking at the societies at the time and how they use print media to, I suppose, create a voice for themselves in the public, and also how they influence the society around them at the time. I started this PhD with this school in particular because with this school you don't just focus directly on the language itself or just on linguistics, but it also gives you a chance to look at the journalist side of the Irish language. So in particular, I'm working at the moment with the National Folklore collection here in UCD, and we're doing research on the memoir of Douglas Hyde and also on his diaries. And I suppose the one that I prefer the most is an envelope of a letter. And instead of having an actual letter inside the envelope, there's Irish written on the outside of the envelope in order to tell the post office that the Irish language was still well and alive.